it's Miss Heather here with Nathaniel. And so we're going to try this new song that Nathaniel wanted to learn called My White Shoes by Pete the Cat. So first, we've labeled the strings. First we have to play the low E string, and then we have to play the A string. First we strum, and then we sing. I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes. You just go back and forth between those two. Do you want to try it, Nathaniel?
Yeah.
Okay, so we start with low E string. I love my white shoes. Can you sing it? And then strum this one. Just one time, just one time. I love my white shoes. And now the low E string. I love my white shoes. Now back to the A string again, right here.
Right.
I love my